Usine Ndlovu and Khaya Mthethwa, they're officially off the market. Hi, Isho family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Hi, Boba Bomkosi. Imagine a man making a statement that yena he is always attracting trash, referring to women. Hence, he is divorced and not looking forward to get married again. And then later on, he announces that he is now a married man. That is none other than Ukaya Mthethwa. Kaya Mthethwa was once married to the former Miss South Africa Ntando Gunene, whom they share a son together. And then in 2019 December, the pair announced their divorce, and the reasons behind that they are still unknown up to this day. Which of course left many people shocked and questioning on what exactly led to the pair to divorce. Because soon after that, Ukaya Mthethwa was appearing on each and every interview, speaking about how terrible the marriage was and how he was so ready to let go of it. He further on spoke about how he is always attracting trash, referring to women, and now that he is married, it is kind of confusing because he said that he doesn't see himself getting married again. But so now he is contradicting himself. When Osiami, I wonder what led to him to propose and marry Usine Ndlovu. Maybe it's because he has finally found his soulmate Kosiami. Others, but allegedly, they are saying that the reason why Khaya Mthethwa is getting married out of a sudden, it is because the ex-wife, Untando, of course, she is married, but and then maybe he decided to take that step and get married out of a pity. But then, can he really do that though? It is quite interesting. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.